Global investors are fretted about the soaring number of the coronavirus cases. At present, more than 700,000 people have been infected around the world. The pandemic has inflicted heavy losses on the global economy. At the end of the week, investors were inspired as the US government adopted the biggest financial aid in history, but the optimism did not last for long. Now investors are stoking fears about the extent of the pandemic and the gloomy prospects of the global economy. Such concerns boost demand for safe haven assets. Even Donald Trump had to acknowledge the coronavirus fallout and give up the idea of reopening the economy for Easter. The lockdowns in the United States have been prolonged until April 30. Now the number of the coronavirus cases in the United States is 75% more than that in China. The president will announce its decision and details tomorrow. Meanwhile, he unveiled the forecast of healthcare experts that the epidemic in the United States would reach its peak in 2 weeks. The US dollar is again winning favor with investors as a safe haven asset. Following the biggest weekly fall in 4 years, the US dollar opened this trading week with gains. Its index is testing the level of 99 points. Nevertheless, investors are cautious about the greenback, awaiting the US non-farm payrolls, which are due on Friday. The US currency is losing ground against the yen. Investors prefer the yen amid a protracted period of uncertainty. As expected, the dollar-yen pair hit the target level of 107.86 on Friday. Now the pair has got stuck in a trading range. It makes sense to plan short deals in case the pair declines below 107.05, aiming for 106.20. Nevertheless, the pair will be able to grow if the price holds firmly above 108, aiming for 109.40. The Australian dollar is also trading flat against the US dollar. The AUDUSD pair failed to climb to 0.6206. The price halted its rise at 0.6200, having undershot the target level. Now it would be a good idea to go long from the current level, placing take a profit just below 0.5838 and stop loss at 0.6206. However, if the price climbs above 0.6206, we can open long deals, setting take profit just before 0.6410 and stop loss at 0.6113. That's all for now. Subscribe to our channel and keep close tabs on financial markets. Don't miss the next video on commodity markets in a couple of hours. See you.